Y'all, Stephanie Nicole here, and in today's video we're going to do a walkthrough of the mid-year planners. These mid-year planners are basically just an upgrade of the old mid-year planners from last year. I did add dated unto the planners, so you can either get it dated or undated. The undated version, you will see this cover. However, you can change the cover, but we'll get into that later. And then the dated versions, you'll get the good vibes only as the main cover. And then there is the Black Girl Magic planner that I brought out last year as well. These will have the same exact basically templates as the regular mid-year planner, but you'll notice that the dividers are just different. Alright, so I'm going to show you the undated versions of these planners, and I may transition to the dated just so you can see the difference. And in order to open the planner up, all you have to do, okay, so this is the landscape mid-year planner. Remember that the landscape does come with the binder. In the middle is tap on the buckle. So on these sides you have your goals, your vision board, yearly overview, finances, to do, and then on this side you have your months of the year, which start from July and ends to June. Down here you have this flower icon that takes you back to the front of the cover. You have your extra pages, stickers, and your dashboard. Right, and then I'll go over what updates were made as well inside of the planner. Okay, so let's start with the dashboard. Here is the dashboard. This has been updated. Basically the cover itself and the inside, like the binder rings and everything, has been completely updated to give a really realistic vibe from the old mid-year planner. So on the dashboard you do get your customizable tabs here, like so, and you'll notice here this has been updated as well. It used to be just this little title box here, but now I just added some notes, the notes lines here. Also down here I added the extra pages, so you can just go directly to the extra page that you want instead of, you know, tapping on the extra pages and swiping through. So you'll get exactly what you're looking for this time, so it'll be much easier to navigate and find. Here you'll get your question mark again, which shows you how to use inserts and everything in your planner. You'll get 40 customizable tabs in this planner. The extra pages section has also been updated to give a more cleaner feel, and it just looks 10 times better than the old extra pages in the planner. So this is the graph or the boxed template. Here is your dotted template, looks way better. Your Cornell, your lined, I think this one is the wide line. Yep, that one's the wide line. And here is your college rule and your blank one. And again, you can get to those from the dashboard as well. Alright, so now let's look at the goals page. Okay, and here is the goals page. It has been completely updated. You get 4 goals, and then you do your action steps here, and then you get these boxes down here if you want to take some extra notes. Here's your vision board. You get this page here where you can put like your pictures and stuff in. You got some writing here. I want to be, I want to learn, I want to accomplish. You can either write or again use pictures, however you see fit to use it. Here is your yearly overview, and this is where I'm going to flip between so you can see the undated overview and then you can see the dated overview. So this is the undated overview, and if you tap here it will take you to your monthly sections. Okay, and then on the dated version your yearly overview looks like this. So the dates are already filled in. You have your weeks here, so if you tap on if you tap on these months, it takes you to that monthly section. Hold on, I'm gonna take my bracelet off because it's really irritating me. Okay, I'm back. That's much better. All right, so I'm gonna zoom in here. You'll see your weekly views here. So if you tap on this, it will take you directly to that week at a glance. And then if you tap on the day, it will take you to that daily page. So that's how that yearly overview looks. And you also get the blank overview as well for the yearly overview in the daily planner. I mean the dated planner. Let's move to the finances tab. Right, so with the finances tab, you get your months here, and these will take you directly to that monthly finance page. You get this graphed page right here where you can just write some notes or whatever you want there, and you have this note section right here. So this also has been upgraded from the old mid-year planner. All right, so here's July. I'll just show you July and how it looks. So you have your categories here, your expenses, dates, and your amounts, and you can check off if you paid it. You have these little sections right here for notes as well. And then on this side, you have your sources of income, your expenses, and your balance. And it looks like this, the exact same way for the dated planner as well. Right? And then you have your to-do, and you just write down your to-dos, and you can just check them off. And it's the same exact way for the dated planner. Okay, so let's go ahead and start looking at the months. I'm just going to show you one, and I'm going to flip back and forth between the dated and the undated version. Oh, and I'm also going to show you the BGM, the Black Girl Magic Planner, the difference between the what the difference is. Okay, so let's just look at July. So this is the regular mid-year planner, and you'll get like these dividers on this side because I did not want to leave it blank. Like, it just doesn't look right blank to me. But I did this. The old mid-year planner did not have the color there. It just had white, and then it had the words in black. But I decided to make the tabs colorful this time. So you'll see that the tabs have different colors, and then they have different little scriptures and sayings on there. All right, so here's how this looks, and then I'm going to show you how the Black Girl Magic one looks. So on the Black Girl Magic one, you'll see like you'll get like these type of tabs or these type of dividers, and I'll just, you know what, I'm just going to go through all of them and just show you. So some updates were done to the Black Girl Magic Planner. Of course, the template layouts, but I did change a few of these dividers. So that's the July one. Here's the August one, September, October, November. That one did change. December, January. This one changed. February. This one changed. March. You'll notice that I did put sayings on them this time. April, May, and June. So those are how the tabs look there. And then with the undated, well, not the undated, the regular mid-year planner, you have you have July, you have August, September, October, November, December, January, February, here's March, April, May, and June. Okay, so you have your mini goals page here, and then I'll go over the icons when we get to the daily page, but this is your mini goals page for the month. This is your vision board page, and then I added a notes page for you. This is how the calendar looks. This has been completely updated. All of these pages have been updated. This page is completely different as well. You get your intentions for the month, priorities, and checklist. This didn't have like the check mark boxes at first, but now they do. And then I'm going to show you how the dated looks. All right, and this is how the dated looks. So I grade out basically if it does not correspond within like July, they are grayed out like this. And so the way you would get to your weekly page is by tapping on the bottom of the first column, and it takes you to your weekly page. And the same thing in the undated, it works the same exact way. And then I'll use the dated for this. And then if you tap on the day or the number, it takes you directly to your daily page. Now I actually did one, but I don't know what I did with the actual page. Okay, so I kind of just filled one out and I used the dated, but I just filled in some stuff. Normally if I do my page, it looks more, you know, decorated than this, but I just wanted to give you an idea of how it would look decorated. Plus I wanted to just use some of the widgets and the stickers that are in this set. So it looks like this, and then I'm going to show you a blank weekly, which looks like this. Now on the dated version of the weekly, you're going to see the numbers at the top like that. And this page has been completely changed as well. So here you have your intention for the week, your weekly priorities, and your weekly checklist. And then again, that's how the undated looks. Difference is the dated has the number, and then the undated has the cursive day of the week at the top. Okay, so that's how the weekly page looks. And then I'm going to show you, if you tap on the day of the week, it will take you to the daily page. So if I tap on Monday, it's going to take me to the Monday page, which has been completely changed as well. So you have your affirmation, you have your today I'm grateful for, priorities, checklist for tomorrow. You have your schedule here, and then you have your section right here for either extra notes or widgets. Okay, so I said when we get to the daily page, we're going to look at the icons. Pencil is going to take you back to your mini goals. This one's your vision board. Of course, this one is your monthly calendar. So it takes you right there to that. Let's go back to a day. The page takes you to your weekly view. And then the star takes you to your monthly reflection. So now we're going to take but that's how the landscape planner looks. Now we're going to take a look at the portrait planner. Okay, so now let's take a look at the portrait planner. I had to start the video over because I don't think I had the whole entire planner in the screen. So I just started the whole entire portrait video over, and I was like literally almost done. Okay, so here's the portrait planner. The dated planner does come with the Good Vibes Only as the main cover, but again, you can literally change this. Okay, so all of the Midyear planners come with covers, and they can be changed. All right, and then here is the Black Girl Magic portrait planner. Now the Black Girl Magic collection actually did not have a portrait Midyear planner, but this time around I did do a portrait style BGM planner, and this is the one that I actually use. Okay, so let's take a look at it, and again I will show you how to add the covers later on in the video. So to open the planner up, all you have to do is tap on the cover and it opens up. You have your tabs here that are hyperlinked to get you where you need to go. You have your goals, vision board, finances, yearly overview, to do, and then you have your monthly tabs that run on the side from July to June. Down here you have your flower, which takes you back to your cover. You have your extra pages, your stickers, and your dashboard. Okay, so let's move on to the dashboard. Dashboard has been upgraded as well. You now have your extra pages here that will make it easier for you to just navigate to that exact page you want, copy and paste behind that tab. Now this works the same exact way for the landscape planner, so I'm just going to show you what I mean by that. So let's say you want to make a section here and you want a blank page. Just tap on the blank, then come up here to the three dots and tap copy page. Go back to your dashboard, tap on whichever section you want, tap this add page, and it'll already automatically say after, so just say paste page. So now you have that page behind. So makes it way more easier to find the page that you're looking for instead of just flipping through all of the extra pages to see what you want. You will get 33 customizable sections on the portrait planner. And then this little question mark here shows you how to use different inserts inside of the planner to customize it to your needs. So you have your 4 goals, and then you can make your action steps here, and then you have your little graph box here that you can, you know, do some brain dump, extra notes, or whatever you want to do there. And then you have your vision board here, and it's just a rectangle here, and you can just, you know, do your collage, your vision board. And I took this little title here and put it on top instead of directly in the middle this time, just to make it easier for you to copy this, you know, lasso, copy, and if you wanted to add to your home screen or your lock screen, it's way easier to do it that way. And then here's your finances. So you have each section here. These are hyperlinked to take you to that month's expenses page. And then here you have another little graph box where you can take some notes if you choose to. Okay, so the yearly overview is a little different in the dated planner, and I'm going to show you what I mean by that. Like the same thing with the landscape mid-year planner, the dated planner comes with this yearly calendar right here, and it takes you directly to where you want to go. So for example, I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. So you see your weeks right here, and so let's say you wanted to go to this week right here, July 16th through the 22nd. Keep in mind this is the Sunday start, and you do get the option of a Sunday or a Monday start. So you would tap on week 29 and it will take you directly to that weekly page. If you wanted to get to the day of the week, one of the days, so let's say you wanted to go to July 21st, just tap on the 21 and it will take you directly to that page. And then also on the yearly overview, if you swipe over, you do get that same page that the undated planner has. And if you tap on these months right here, it will take you to that monthly section. And then here is your to-do. So you just write out your to-dos and just check them off as you go. So again, like the landscape planner, the tabs or the dividers will be different, and the look of this will be different because this is a portrait planner, and with portrait planners you cannot get, I do get this question a lot and I want to clarify, with a portrait planner you can only view one page at a time. You can only get the 2 pages with the landscape planners. So it just looks like it's unfolding like that. But with a portrait planner, you're not going to get that. You can only view 1 page at a time. So let's see. So we're about to look at the months, right? Okay, so here is the monthly tab, and it is your divider. Just like on the landscape planner, you had your divider here. Now your goals page is going to be behind it. You will notice here that there are icons now here as well, which will take you to where you want to go. And I will discuss the icons when we get to the daily page, because the daily page has all the icons on there. Just like the landscape planner, your dividers are the exact same, just 1 page. And then for the BGM planner, and this is the planner that I use, this one right here. So let's start looking inside of the monthly section. So just like the landscape planner, you do have your mini goals page like this, and then you get to track your progress as well with your mini goals. You have your vision board page, right? So this is how the dated calendar looks, and I'm going to show you and this is how the undated calendar looks. Again, difference is there are numbers already for you there, so you don't have to date it yourself. And this has been upgraded as well. Now you have your my intentions for the month. The priorities have changed. You have way more lines now for priorities, and you have that column for the check off, like check marks, and the same thing for the checklist. And to get to a weekly view, just tap on the bottom of each of that Sunday column. And if you're using the Monday start planner, it would be the Monday. So just tap on the bottom and it takes you to that weekly page. Okay, and if you tap on the top, this has changed. One thing I did do differently is I think there was actually circles right here. So I took the circles away. And then, I also believe that the hyperlink right here to get to the day, it was only in this top right corner. But I have noticed, like, people do send me their monthly views, and I look at them and they're so pretty. Oh my gosh. But I do notice that some people like to put their numbers on the left side. So instead of it just being on that top right corner, I made it longer. So now it's on that whole top line to get to your daily view. And for the landscape planner, that is the same as well. So that top line of each box, or the top of each box, is longer. All right, so let's look at a weekly view now. So here's the weekly view, and if you tap on the day of the week on the weekly view, it takes you to the daily page. This has completely changed. You still get this as the old mid-year planner had, and then here it was just an M, but this time I wrote out the day in cursive, so you see the day there. I have my intention for the week right here, weekly priorities, weekly checklist, and notes. This was not right here. It was just all gray down at the bottom. And I can show you a weekly how it looks on my planner, because I am using the portrait view. But keep in mind that the stickers are not going to be the same. So I'll show it to you. But again, keep in mind that your stickers are not going to be the same. You're not going to get the same stickers. So these stickers are in my shop, like these right here in the Summer Lovin'. This one is not. But I'll show you how it looks. All of these stickers are in my shop, so yeah, these are in my shop. But this is how my weekly looks using this template. Tap on the day of the week, it takes you to the daily page, and the daily page has been updated a lot. So I'm just gonna show you the updates that have been made. So you get your today's affirmation. I have gotten this question before from people asking me if my planners, have like a section where you can do your affirmation. And my normal reply would be, well, I do have widgets that have like to daily affirmation, but this time I did actually go ahead and put this here. Today's affirmation, today I'm grateful for. Those are add-ons to this planner. This is the first time I'm actually using these in a template. So yay. And I actually like it. I like it a lot. Today's priorities, and you have your checklist, and then you have your notes right here. Then you have your schedule and your space right here for your extra widgets or extra notes. Okay, and then let's look at the icons. So this takes you to your mini goals. The eye takes you to your vision board. The calendar takes you to, of course, your monthly calendar. The page takes you to that weekly view. And then your star takes you to your monthly reflection. All right, so now let's take a look at the covers and the stickers. Okay, so these are the covers for the landscape BGM planner. And I did do a couple of the focus, stay humble, stay blessed ones. I like that cream one. I don't know why, but that one right there, oh, I love that one. I don't know, it just looks so elegant. These are the regular ones for the mid-year planner. And again, there's that flower one. So you can change that out even if you wanted the undated, which has this one as the main cover. You can change it to the good vibes. Okay. And then you have your portrait planners. This is the BGM portrait. And this is the regular mid-year planner covers, portrait covers. So I'm going to show you how to change both. So all you have to do is choose your cover, and I'm going to choose you. And then you just come over to your planner. Get to the cover. So you can do it on top of this one because it's not hyperlinked. So paste it right here, And all you have to do now is start resizing it. So just fit it over it like so. And now you have a new cover. This cover, like that part of it, is hyperlinked. Let's use one of these. So I'm gonna use just this one here. I'm gonna copy it. And then I'm gonna come over to my planner here. Now when you hit on this, that happens. So that's why I was like, don't do that. So you have this outside here, or you can use this brown right here, like this part right here. Don't use this because that happens. So just right here or on this little mauve edge here, you're going to hold down and then paste and match style. And then we're going to start resizing. You see me, I'm adjusting each and every time. Okay, and then once you have it, you can either tap off like so, or you can just tap on the side. And if you have a Gen 2 pencil like I do, just do that. Just tap on your pencil to tap off of it. Okay, and now you have a brand new cover. Okay, you get 2 sets of numbers, but you get a light set and you get a darker set. You get your doodles and your functional stickers here. And then I added this. This is new. These did not come with the planner. And also it didn't have covers either. But now you get these little, what do you call these? Functional stickers, I guess? I don't know. We're just gonna say functional sticker, functional labels. Let's say that. You get these little functional labels here, and then you do get these blank ones here. And I do think I tell you what font I'm using on this, and if I don't, just send me a message and I'll let you know. But I think I did put on there what font I'm using. I think I did, but just to be sure, under the description of this video, I will put what font I do use here, because I know a lot of people, me included, I like to use whatever font is being used just to be more cohesive. Let's look at your widgets now. So you get your black and white widgets. So now I'll just show you how they look. So you have your black and white ones right here, and then you do get your multicolor widgets right here, and you also get some mood emojis to go with these, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about with that. You'll get a mood tracker that looks like this, and a multicolor one and this color, and then you get like the you get the mood emojis, you get the white ones right here. So you can use the white ones if you want. You'll get the multicolor one. So that is everything. So you'll get, again, dated or undated. You can purchase either dated or undated. You'll get a Monday, Sunday start. Each planner comes with 13 covers. It comes with the stickers, the 2 calendar sets of numbers, the functional labels, your black and white widgets, your multicolor widgets, and your mood emojis, either black and white or multicolored. I will link the purchases below. Like, I will link every single every single different planner there is, so you can take a look at them. And if you use code YouTube, you get money off of your purchase. And if you have any questions, guys, please don't hesitate to ask me. If you reach out to me either on the website or on Etsy, I do get back to you within an hour or even like in minutes. So reach out to me with questions there, if you have questions about the planner. So thank you guys for taking the time to walk through these planners with me, and I will see you guys in the next video.